Hi everybody, today I will show you how to make slider in WordPress using Elementor. So let's begin. Alright, so to create the slider, first thing that you need to do, you have to go inside the plugins and click on the add new plugin. And the first thing that you need to do here is to search for Sina. Alright, so as you can see here, Sina extension for Elementor. So we have to install this. So I have already installed and activated this. So after this, what I need to do, I have to create the templates in the Elementor that I can use for the slider. Alright, so to create the templates in the Elementor, first thing that I need to do, I have to create on the templates here. Now you will be able to see our saved templates. Okay, so right now we don't have any template. So we're going to simply create two templates here just for creating the slider. So I'm going to simply click on the add new template and we have to select the section here. I'm going to write down slider 1. Let's just click on create template. Alright, so now as you can see here that we are inside the Elementor editor and we're going to simply create our template here. So to create the template, we can use the pre-built template of the Elementor, but right now I'm going to simply create one from the scratch. So let's click on add container, click on the flex box, and this would be a single column structure. And I would actually like to change the content width to the full width. And what I need to do, I'll simply add the background image. Let's click here, click on the image. Alright, so I think I would go here with this image. So let's click here. Alright, so now I'll just simply do some changes in the properties of the picture. So the position would be center, and repeat would be no repeat. Alright, so now what I need to do, I have to add the background overlay here. So this would be a dark color here. So I think I would go here with the black color. Alright, so this is looking better. So now let's click here. I will add the heading, and after the heading, I would actually like to add text editor, and in the last, I would like to add the button. Alright, so now I have to change the color of the text first. So let's click on this, and it would be into the center. The color would be white color, and I would have to change the typography here. So this will be a bold text, and after that, what I need to do, I have to increase the size of the heading. Alright, so this is looking better. And now what I need to do, I just have to change the color of our text here. So this will be also kind of white color. Alright, and I have to put this into the center. Now let's just put our button into the center too. Alright, so I think the styling of the button is kind of okay right now. Alright, so now let's just click on our main container, and I would like to increase the height of it. Okay. Alright, so I think this is looking better, and I have to go inside the style. Okay, so here what I need to do, I have to change the display size. So this would be cover. Alright, so now this is looking fine. And now I need to put our heading, text, and the button into the center. So I will simply click on the layout, and here you can see the option of the justify content. So I have to put this into the center. Alright, so now this is looking better. Alright, so let's just click on publish. And now I have to create one more template as well. So I'll simply create a new tab here. Alright, so I'll simply go inside the templates. And here what I would do, I would just simply click on add new template. So this would be section again, and the name would be slider 2. Click on create template. Alright, so instead of creating the template from the scratch again, I'm going to simply copy the first template from here. So how can we do this? I'll simply do the right click here. And here you can see the option of the copy. And then we have to go back to our second template or the slider 2. And what I need to do, I just have to do the paste here. And it will simply copy everything from our first template. Okay, so that is a kind of trick here if you want to save your time. And now what I would need to do, I just simply change the background image here. Let's click on the style, click here. And I think I would go here with this picture. So let's select this one. All right. But you can see this, our second template is ready too. So let's click on publish. And now what we need to do, we just have to go back to our WordPress dashboard. So let's click on exit. Alright, so now to create the slider, I just have to create the container here. Click on the flex box, click on the single column structure. And here what I need to do, I have to change the content width. So that would be full width. And here what I need to do, let's just click here. And we have to write down Sina here. And what we need to do, we have to go here with the Sina content slider. Okay, so let's just drag this and put this here. And now what we need to do, let's just click on the item here and we want to use the saved template. Okay, so let's just enable this and we have to choose the template. So that would be the slider number 1. And in the second one, this would be the slider number 2. So let's enable use saved templates and I'm going to select the second slider here. And now I would like to delete the third one. All right, so now I have to change the setting of the slider. So let's click here. So this would be the single slider at a time. And I would like to remove these dots from here. Okay, so let's just remove these dots. That is looking great. And what I need to do, I will simply remove the padding from here. So let's just add the 0 padding from all of the sides. All right, so now this is looking better. I will need to change the height here as well. So let's just increase the height. I think this would be around 600 px. All right, so this is looking better now. And now what I need to do, if I wanted to change the styling of these arrows, so what I need to do, I just have to click on the name with the dots. And from here, I can change the color of it. So that would be the black color. Okay, so this is looking better. And what I need to do, and I would also like to change the radius of these arrows. Okay, so this would be around 50. This would be around 52. All right, so this is looking better now. And now what I need to do, I just have to click on the container and go into the advanced settings and I will add this 0 padding here. All right, so now you can see here, there is no spacing here. Okay, so let's publish this. And now let's click on have a look. All right, so now you will be able to see our slider here. Okay, so this is how we can create the slider. So if I just click here, you can see this, we can go forward and the backward in our slider. So this is how we can create the slider in the WordPress using Elementor. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.